Alright, tubers, it is Saturday, May, what, 16th? 17th? Something like that. Anyway, I've got to mow the back 40 as well as the lawn over there before I can start moving some of this stuff around. Also show you the progress I've made with the rear tailgate. Starting to work on that a little bit. And anyway, I got to get chores done first. Got the fountain going this morning. I'll be back. Okay, this is the room I need to clear out so I can bring the DeSoto in here. So I can bring the Ranchero in the other working area over there where the DeSoto is residing, because I can heat that area pretty good. It's got everything I need over there, and that'll get me motivated to start on the floors in the Ranchero. Oh yeah, I should show you those too. Ranchero floors need to be replaced front and back, both sides. Somebody put a steel plate over there. I've got inner and outer rocker for this. That has to be replaced. Other side has to be replaced too, so I'll pick that up. Other than that, I think I'll make the pans myself. They won't be factory, but I'm not paying $1,000 for a set of pans. So yeah, more work to do. Okay, here we got the tailgate. Show you what I did so far. Cut that out. Sorry. This, whoop, cut the outer skin off, and the latching components were totally seized up and corroded also, so I'm going to do away with those and just figure out a way to latch it from the inside of the bed. It's not like I'm going to have a canopy or anything on this, so I'll latch it from the inside of the bed and have a smooth skin on the outside. This is the backing for the where that little horned bullhead goes, the emblem on the back in the middle of the tailgate. I'll keep that. It's not in the best condition, but I like it. The bumpers, chrome on this, aren't going to be in the best condition either, but you know, this isn't going to be a show car, this is just going to be a cruiser. Okay, just in case my new camera's not picking up my audio, getting this filled in, still have a little patchwork to do. I got this bottom lip that I've got to replace, and this is the back side of the tailgate. And then I think I'll just do a solid panel up there. And you know, I got that reinforced. Don't look too close. These welds are, you know, trying to weld on rusty sheet metal. I clean it up the best I can, but you're still going to get popping and that kind of stuff. But we're getting it there. Then I'll do a skim coat of either fiberglass or plastic filler just to smooth things out, make it look decent. And then we'll be on to the, well, maybe I'll do the front skin first. I'm also going to coat the inside with something. I've got different paints and whatnot. I'm not sure I've got any like Core 15 left. I'll use whatever I have in here. Kind of paint and waterproof the inside, make it look good. Again, this is going to be all sealed off, but I will do some drip holes in the bottom just in case I get moisture down there. I might even have some bed liner. I could put that in there too. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'm kind of happy with progress. It's coming along. Slow and tedious, but we're getting there. Well, I think that's it for today. I got the lower lip all welded in there. Got my patches in. Still have a little bit more to do, but I'm going to patch up there and try to figure out what I want to do with these open areas. I might just open them up a little bit more and put patches, screw patches on them in case I need to get into the tailgate for any reason. Not that I think I would need to get in there, but I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe one big panel going across here. We'll see. Whatever it is, I'm just going to weld it up. And that's what I'm using to take off all the corrosion. Well, I guess that's the progress on the tailgate for today. Today's my big birthday. I'm getting a lot of calls and interruptions, and you know how it goes, so I guess that's as far as I'm going to get. I'm happy with the progress, and probably another at least two videos on it before it's done. I still need to put the outer skin on, coat the inside, do a few other little things, and then I want to finish it off with a little fiberglass or putty in certain areas just to make it look smooth and nice. So anyway, appreciate you tuning in, and till next time, later.